Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I am back with a hair tutorial, and this one is kind of inspired by like an 80s rocker look. I wanted to do something that had a lot of texture, a lot of body, some braiding in it. I actually was able to get my short hair into braid, so I was super stoked about that. But if you're interested in seeing how to get this hair right here, keep on watching. So starting off, I am just using my dry hair. Second day hair is best. You'll get the best hold for your curling and stuff like that if you do not have totally clean hair. And I'm taking my Beautiful Mess by Devacurl after I part my hair, and I'm taking just above my bangs on the side of my hairline. So you can do this with long hair too, just leave your bangs out in that fringe area and braid in your entire side, but I'm braiding in what I have since I do have a little bit of shaving on the underneath part of my hair. But I am just doing your basic French braid, nothing crazy, just adding in hair as I go down. And then I'm going to tie that off, and I'll tuck that underneath that little tuft of hair I have in the back. No need to bobby pin it or anything. As long as you keep the rubber band tight to the scalp, that little end will actually help fluff up the texture in the back. So moving on to the other side of my hair, I just kind of parted my hair and moved some of it out of my way. So the bottom section where it is falling downwards, I'm going to use a flat iron so I don't have a weird shape by the end of this, and I am twisting my flat iron 2 different directions, and then I'm raking through it just to add some more body to it. And then I'm going to start taking random pieces and making design decisions. So I did one curl with a straightener, and then I'm going in with a crimper. Yes, I still have a crimper. Bought this thing when I was in like middle school. It's still going for me. And then I'm just going to crimp that next piece so it sticks out a little bit and gives it more texture. And then I'm grabbing another piece kind of in the middle of the bottom part that we already did, and a little bit of that top section, and then I'm going to curl over top of that. So really just alternating once you do that baseline bottom row and adding that texture in where you want it, making sure your curls are all going different directions so none of them group together and you can get the maximum fullness and that really like undone look. And then for the very top section, I'm curling all of that stuff away from my face because I don't want it to blend in with my bangs, because like I said, I'm going to straighten these down and these are going to be forward. So I'll have that little bit of separation. So going ahead and moving on to the other side of our hair, I'm taking the same straightener and I'm just going to curl this forward because I want to cover up the rubber band of the braid, and then after doing that first section, then I'll start to alternate and move to the back. Now I didn't do anything crazy for the back, I just did a couple curls because that's not going to make a huge difference of our overall look. If you want to go crazy with texture back here, by all means do it. I'm just curling in all different directions, and then I ran my fingers through it. Then taking our Beautiful Mess, which is like a gel but more of like a pomade, I'm just rubbing that between my hands and really just roughing up that texture. This is going to give us that really cool like spiky hold but not crunchy, if that makes sense, and it's going to encourage the definition of our curls. And then I'm going in with my finishing spray from the Arrojo hair products line, and you guys are done. I really love this. This turned out really cute, and I think this would be awesome no matter what length of hair that you have. Just so happens I've got part of mine shaved, so it's extra awesome. If you guys want to see more hair tutorials, let me know in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to check out my previous tutorial. I've got it linked in the description box for you guys. Also, along with my social media, I have Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Snapchat. So make sure you check all those out, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!